loves, so I'm back with another Outre wig review. This wig is called Adriana. It's a 360 wig, as you guys can see. Here's the construction. The color is gorgeous. The color is maple brown. It's like this beautiful ombre color. Here it comes with the elastic band, and all I'm going to do is put my powder, and then we're going to go straight into applying this unit. So since it's a 360 wig, you could put it up in a ponytail, you could part it different ways. This wig is very versatile and you could create different styles with it. As you can see, it has the little baby hairs that I end up cutting out, but it came with baby hairs, and it's good for big head friendly people such as myself. So if you have a big head, this is the wig, girl. This is the wig, okay? So now we're gonna go in, you know, the good old even hairspray, and I'm just gonna do one coat, spray it down, and then start tacking the unit. So here I'm tacking down the unit. I did not put an elastic band on it. I went straight in because I'm not wearing this unit for a long time. I have other reviews to do, but I'm just adhering it, pressing it in, and now we're gonna cut the lace. So here I'm just going in the little areas that lifted, and I'm just spraying to make sure that the front is very secure. So here I'm just using my foundation powder, my MAC NW45 powder, and just blending in the lace. Now I was trying to figure out, should I do a middle part, side part? Because this parting was very deep, it was very versatile, so I was like, should I do side, should I do middle? Like, I was just indecisive, and I wanted to show you guys the parting, so I did both styles. I did a middle and then a side, and I was trying also to avoid manipulating the curls. Like, I wanted the curl pattern to stay the way it was. I didn't want to do too much combing with the curl patterns and mess it up and let it get poofy, but it ended up getting a little bigger than what I expected. So you just got to be careful with that, because you know, once you comb out a synthetic wig with the curls don't really come back how it's supposed to, but y'all know. But now I'm just using my wax stick just to make sure that it's flat, and I'm just hot combing lightly to make sure that area is flat as possible. So now I'm just going to go in with my same foundation powder and define the part, and then I'm going to use my color wand to just define the part even more. So here I'm just tweezing a little bit at the front, and then we're going to go right into making small baby hairs, very lightly though, not too many baby hairs.
So one night, tell me one. One time, you tell me one time. When your eyes open your eyes, baby. You be wise, cause I'm a pride, baby. I'm on the way, I'm gonna run, baby. Me alone, leave me alone. Take it back now, but you want it. You want chance to walk it on me, I've been a put it back. Turn me around, take it my way. So tell me what you need from me now. You know what you need to be now, cause I'm done with it now. No, I'm done with it now.
Yeah, so this is how it looks straight middle part. That was looking cute. It's a very big, summery, curly unit. The color is gorgeous. I really love the color. It's a 24-inch. Yeah, this looks really nice. And here's the parting, so you guys get a closer look of the unit. And then I just wanted to do the two little pieces in the back, like kind of do the two little twists. So I did that here. And it was cute. It was cute. It was a cute little style. Just do the two little twists, and then the colors kind of peek through. I was really trying not to put my hands too much in the curls. I did not want to mess the curls up at all. And then after this, I'm going to show you how to do the side, how it looks at the side. It looks really nice at the side. I've been feeling side swoops lately. So here I'm about to show you in the next, yeah. This was really nice. The side swoop. So yeah, I was really feeling this unit, especially the color. The color was gorgeous. I was feeling the middle part a little bit more. But comment below, let me know what you guys think of this unit. Do you guys like this unit? Have you tried this unit? And thank you guys for watching this video. Until next time, bye guys.